In this video, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from sharing posts and stories to Facebook. The method we'll be using is very simple and will be clearly described in this video. Subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. If this video helped you out, please like the video and leave a comment down below. So let's just go to Instagram here and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And let's tap on the three lines at the top right and tap at the settings at the very top. That'll bring you here, and you can see towards the bottom there is Account Center. I will tap on that, and this brings up your Account Center for both Facebook and Instagram. Let's just tap where it says Sharing Across Profiles. And now I want to share from Instagram, and it says Share from Instagram, Share to Facebook. And you can see your Instagram story is toggled on, so all I have to do is turn that off. So Instagram doesn't automatically share my Instagram story over to Facebook as my Facebook story. Now, of course, you can manually do this if you want to manually share your story on Facebook as well. But it won't automatically share it now since it's turned off. It will only share when you intend to share it. So that's pretty much it. That was how to stop Instagram from sharing posts and stories to Facebook. I hope that I got to help you out with this video, and please do not forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.